This is the Hermes Birkin bag, and it is the most expensive and exclusive luxury bag ever. But still, I feel like this bag is truly one of the most overrated luxury bags of our day. The bag I got here starts at $10,000 and goes up to over $200,000 depending on the size, material, and condition, and today I want to talk about this luxury bag and explore what is special about it. Let's dive in. The Hermes Birkin bag is a sought-after and iconic handbag that was created in 1984 by the French fashion house Hermes, and named after the actress and singer Jane Birkin, who co-designed the bag with Jean-Louis Dumas, the former Hermes chairman. The bag is known for its high quality, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, as it is made from various types of leather and exotic skins, and has a waiting list of several years. Birkin bags have been popular for decades for several reasons. First of all, they are exclusive and rare not just because of the price but also due to the limited availability and the prestige associated with owning one. Besides, they boast unparalleled quality. Each Birkin bag is handcrafted by skilled artisans from start to finish, which means no two bags are exactly the same. Also, each bag takes about 18 to 25 hours to make, using the finest materials and techniques, ensuring exceptional quality and durability, and is stamped with the initials of the craftsman who made it. One of the things I love most about this bag is its timeless and classic design, with its clean lines, structured silhouette, and minimalist aesthetic. The Birkin bag has a simple rectangular shape, with a flap closure, two handles, and a lock and key. The bag comes in different sizes, ranging from 25 centimeters to 55 centimeters in width, and in various colors and finishes, allowing you to choose the one that suits your style and personality. Also, if you are lucky to get one, you can customize your bag with different hardware, linings, and accessories, such as charms, straps, and clochettes. The bag also has different variants, such as the Birkin Shadow, the Birkin Fray, and the Birkin Cargo, which offer different designs and features. One drawback is that the Birkin bag is not very practical, as it has a heavy weight, especially in larger sizes, a rigid structure, and a lack of compartments. Also, it may not be the best choice for everyday use. The bag is also not very versatile, as it is more suitable for formal occasions than casual ones. Another one of the cons of this bag is the price, and potential buyers often find themselves on waiting lists that can stretch for months or even years, adding a layer of complexity to the purchase process. But damn, the bag is so expensive. After all, it is a Birkin bag. Even though they are extremely expensive, Birkin bags are one of those rare luxury items have a reputation for often retaining or even increasing in value over time, particularly in the resale market. The Birkin bag isn't perfect, but its exclusivity and unparalleled quality make it worth the price, though perhaps not entirely living up to the hype. I would give the bag a 9 out of 10 rating. The bag is not for everyone, as it requires a lot of money, time, and effort to own and use. Those who appreciate the blend of fashion and art will find the Birkin to be a unique and expressive accessory. The bag is also not a necessity, but a luxury that only serves to enhance one's image and prestige. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Do you think the Birkin bag lives up to its hype, or do you share my view that it might be a bit overrated? Let's continue the conversation in the comment section.